Let's learn Korean with Professor O. Let's go! Welcome to our classroom. My name is Professor O, and in today's lesson we'll be learning the Korean alphabet. Our lesson will be divided into two parts. In the first part, we will focus on the pronunciation, and then the second part, we will focus on learning how to write the Korean alphabet. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. In Korea, we call the alphabet Hangul. It consists of 14 consonants and vowels. Consonants are always paired with a vowel and vice versa. The easiest and most simplest way to memorize the consonants is by pairing them up with the vowel A. Let's give it a try. For the first round, I'll rehearse it to you. Kana, tara, mabasa, aja, chaka, tapaha. Now for the second round, repeat after me. I'll go a little slower. Ka, ka. It's not ga, it has a softer G sound, so ka, ka. Na, na, na. Ta, ta. It's not da or da or anything like that, it's ta. Ta. Ra, ra, ra. It has a slight rolling L sound in the beginning, so it's not la, like la la la, not like that at all. It's ra. Just a slight rolling. Ra. Ma, 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 pa, pa. It's not ba, not like sheep ba, not like that, just pa. Soft B sound, somewhat soft. Pa, pa. Ta, 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 ta. Ah. It's like saying, ah, I get it. So, ah. Ah. Cha, cha. It's not ja. No, not like that. Cha. Somewhat soft J sound. Cha. 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 It's like doing the cha-cha, like cha. So cha. Cha. Ka. 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 Sounds kind of like a K sound in the beginning. Ka. Ta. Ta. It has a T sound. Yeah, it has a T sound. Ta. Pa. 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 Ha. Ha. Like saying ha ha ha. Ha. So let's go over that briefly, and you can repeat after me. Ka, na, ta, ra, ma, pa, ta, a, ja, cha, ka, ta, pa, ha. Good job, everyone. When you're first learning the language, it's all about practice, 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 and memorization. So, why not have some fun with it whenever you can, right? So, okay, I found out an easy way to memorize the Korean alphabet. Are you ready? 가나다라 마바사 아자차카타파하 가나다라 마바사 아자차카타파하 가나다라 마바사 아자차카타파하. Sound familiar? Well, you're right, because it's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star with the Korean alphabet. So try that, and I mean, it fits perfectly with the tune, right? It's the perfect amount of syllables. And try that, and enjoy. Now let's go over the syllables. In the first round, I'll rehearse it to you. Ready? 아야, 어여, 오여, 우유, 으이. Now for the second round, repeat after me. A. It's like saying, I get it. Ya. Like yaman. Like the Jamaican people say, yaman. Ya. Ya. O. Yo. Just a little side note, yo is the formal way of ending a sentence when you're talking to people or when you're writing formal language. Once again, that's yo. U. You. It's like saying you. It's like when you're like, what is that? It's like that. E. Like A, B, C, D, E. E. So there are your vowels, and there are other vowels, a little more complex vowels, but we'll go over that later into further lessons. And I hope this lesson was helpful to you. There will be more upcoming ones for you to better understand the Korean language. So until next time, bye everyone!